A very good morning to all my English learners. I know I have been getting so many tasks and messages that you all have completed your assignments for the first lesson for the English vocabulary boost, and you submitted the assignments with all the sentence structure in past, present, and future tenses. I'm really proud of the momentum. You all are giving 200%. That's commendable. So now we will start the second lesson. English vocabulary boost 21 new easy words in present, past, and future tenses. So you all are ready, right? Yes or no? Tell me. Come on. Great. So let's go to the first word, which we all do every night. The first word today is sleep. Means what? To rest. Isn't it easy? It's so easy. Present, past, future. Sleep, slept, will sleep. Concentrate on the highlighted words so that you are able to master this word in all the three forms: present, past, and future. Sleep, to rest. Present, I sleep by 10 p.m. Past, I slept early yesterday. Amazing. Future, I will sleep after watching TV. Once again, sleep, to rest. Present tense in sleep is sleep. I sleep by 10 p.m. I sleep by 11 p.m. Okay. Past, I slept early yesterday. Future, I will sleep after watching TV. Great. Let's go to the next word. After sleeping every night, what do we do the next day? We wake up and we thank God. Thank God. God has given us again one day to be happy, to value what we have, to love ourselves, and to work hard and move with full focus towards our future. Right. So, second word is wake, to stop sleeping. Present, wake. Past, woke, WOKE. Future, will wake. Let's see. Wake meaning is to stop sleeping. Present, I wake up at 6 a.m. Amazing. What is the past of wake? I woke up late yesterday. Future, I will wake up early tomorrow. Great. Do we all brush our teeth only in the morning? Not before sleeping? We all need to think and ensure that we should all brush our teeth every morning and even before we sleep. So, what does brush means, my learners? To clean using a brush. Brushes, brushed, will brush. You all know if there is a he, she, or a name of a person like Pooja, then he brushes, she brushes, Pooja brushes. But as I told you in the last session, if it is I, they, and we, then there will be no S in the present tense. Okay, it will be I brush my teeth, we brush our teeth, they brush their teeth. Okay, so let's go ahead. Sorry. Brush, to clean using a brush. He brushes his teeth twice a day. Past, he brushed them after dinner. Future, he will brush them before sleeping. Bath. Do we all take bath in the morning? Yes. It means to clean the body with water. Present, she bathes every morning. Past, she bathed before breakfast. Future, she will bathe after yoga. Dress. We all love to dress up, wear good clothes, beautiful clothes, and feel good about ourselves when we feel nice and good about ourselves. So, what does we dress? To put on clothes. Present, past, and future. Dress, dressed, will dress. Present, I dressed quickly for work. Past, I dressed in formal clothes. Future, I will dress well for the meeting. We can also say in future, I will dress well for my wedding. I will dress well for my sister's wedding. I will dress well for my birthday. Right? Great. So let's go and see which is the next word. The next word is go. We all have to go to our office, to our school, to our coaching center to learn new things, right? So go means to move from one place to another. Present. I go to work by metro. Past. Went. And future of go is will go. Focus. Go, went, will go. Present. I go to work by metro. Past. I went to the office yesterday. Future. I will go to a new job interview. Do you really want to reach your goal? You want to reach the happiness inside? Or you want to reach the theater to watch the new movie of Amir Khan, Sitare Zameen Par? I don't know where you want to reach. Or you want to reach at home and eat good food by a mother? So basically, what does reach means? REACH, to arrive at a place. Present. He reaches work by 9 a.m. Past, he reached late yesterday. Future, he will reach on time tomorrow. Excellent. Let's go ahead. Do you really think when you have to use your laptop or even a PC at your university, you have to log in? So, what does login mean? To access a system. Present. I log in at 9 sharp. Past, logged, and future will log. Past, I logged in from home because I have a work from home job, right? So, what is the past? I logged in from home. Future, I will log in early tomorrow. Very good. What does check means? Do we really check everything is okay? Yes, we do that. What does check means? To examine or verify. Present. So as I told you, my dear students, all the learners listening to me right now, it's basically she, he and any name, then it will be S. Checks. He checks. Pooja checks. Raju checks. Shivani checks. Kanchan checks. Okay. Dave checks, etc. So, what is the present? She checks her emails daily. And if it will be I, then it will be I check my email daily. Past. She checked the files already. Future. She will check everything tomorrow. Do we all really want to earn money, do some work, and so that we can spend some part of our money to the children or to the needy? Yes, we should always earn money and do a job or business. Work, what does it mean? To do a job. Present, I work in a company. Past, I worked as a teacher before. Future, I will work from home next week. Very good. Attend. To be present at. I attended the appointment given by my doctor. I attended my sister's wedding and felt very happy that my sister is settled now. So, what is attend? I attended all the meetings at my office. So, attend means to be present at. Very good. What is the present? I attend meetings every day. Past. I attended training yesterday. So, what is the present? Attend. Past, attended. Future, will attend. Very good. Present. Let's start. Once again, all of you, this is a very important words, right? Attend, attendance. So, attend, to be present at. Present. I attend meetings every day. Past. I attended training yesterday. Future. I will attend a webinar tomorrow. Next word we all are doing. I am speaking and you all are writing, right? So let's write. Write. To put down words. Present. He writes emails daily. Present, past, future. Writes, wrote, WOROTE, WROTE. What is the past of write? It is wrote. We write the spellings at WROTE, but we pronounce as ROTE. Future will write. Write, to put down words. Present. He writes emails daily. Past. He wrote 3 reports. Future. He'll write the summary later. Answer. Do you answer the phone calls? Do you answer your parents? Do you think it is important to answer? Yes or no? Yes, it is very, very important to answer. Answer means to reply. Present, past and future. Answers, answered, will answer. Present. She answers calls politely. Past. She answered many questions. Future. She will answer soon. This is the easiest one since we have started the lesson. We all are always on the phone. Either we are calling someone or we are receiving a call. So what does call mean? CALL. Now you tell me. Yes, all of you know that, right? A child also knows that. Call means to make a phone call. Present. I call clients every day. Past. I called the office yesterday. Future. I will call the HR manager. Excellent. Do you think it is very important to help each other, to help poor people? Yes, it is. So, what does help means? To assist someone. Present. He helped his team. That is what is past. Okay, so what does help means? To assist someone. Present, helps. Past, help. Future, will help. So what is the present? He helps his team. Past, he helped a colleague yesterday. Future, he will help with the project. It is very important that we all should able to be together, meet our loved ones, our family, in our office, our colleagues. So, what does meet means? To come together. Present, past and future. Meet, met, will meet. Remember, the past of the meet will be MET and it is pronounced as met. So, present. We meet at 10 a.m. Past. We met last Monday. Future. We will meet tomorrow. Just 5-6 words more and we complete 21 words for the lesson 2 of vocabulary boost. You all are English champions and you all will rise and shine for sure. So just keep working hard with me. Next, send. I'm sending a lots of things to my sister. Send. To deliver something. Present. Sends. Past. Sent. SENT. Future. Will send. Very good. Present. She sends reports on time. Past. She sent the files. Future. She will send the summary. Speak. To talk. Present, past, and future. Present. Speak. Past. Spoke. 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 And future is will speak. Great. Speak to talk. Present. I speak to clients every day. Past. I spoke to the manager. Future. I will speak to the director. So easy. So we are at the third last word for today's second lesson for the vocabulary boost in past, present, and future. All my English champions, let's master these three more words. Are you listening to me? Great. So the word is listen, LISTEN. To pay attention to sound. Present listen, past listened, future will listen. Present. They listen carefully. Past. They listen to the instructions. Future. They will listen to the updates. Second last word for today's second lesson of vocabulary boost. Plan. It is very important that we should always plan in advance. To arrange in advance. Present. She plans. Present plans, past plan, future will plan. Present. She plans her day well. Past. She planned the event. Future. She will plan the schedule. So, plan is to arrange in advance. Present, she plans her day well. Past, she planned the event. Future, she will plan the schedule. So, all my learners, nobody says these days schedule. Schedule is not spoken all over the world, not globally. You have to pronounce it like schedule. Say after me. SCHEDULE. Schedule. She will plan the schedule. She will plan the schedule. Good. Clean. It is very important for us that we should always clean. Keep everything clean. To make something neat. Present cleans. Past clean. Future will clean. So, what is the present tense for clean? He cleans his desk daily. Past. He cleaned it yesterday. Future. He will clean it after work. So here is the ending of lesson 2. And all my English champions, this is your homework. This is your assignment. You will make past, present and future tenses. What? Yes, you will make sentences in past, present, and future tense with these 21 words and send me. You have a week to do this assignment. Stay tuned for lesson number 3 and to gain more knowledge, to become more fluent, to feel more good and confident about yourselves, to really believe in yourself that you're an excellent English speaker. You can always follow me at my YouTube at English Miracles with Pooja and my Insta English Miracles with Pooja, and there's one more, Hindi to English Miracles with Pooja. This is my contact details, my email and WhatsApp. But remember, as long you will maintain the consistency, you are the precious pearls. You are English champions. So good luck to all my precious pearls, to all the English champions, and I will come back with lesson number 3. Do your assignment seriously, genuinely, and with full focus. Stay blessed. Take care. From English language coach Pooja. Bye bye.